Hello analysts, this will be a short and quick demo on HPTLC analysis. Let us start with sample preparation. Weigh your sample and standard. Here we are following USP 203 methodology. Weigh 100 mg of your sample and dissolve it in 1 ml of solvent. You can prepare accordingly. Sonicate the sample for 15 minutes in sonicator. Centrifuge it for 15 minutes at 1500 rpm. Once settled, use the supernatant for analysis. You can fill it in vials as we are using ATS4. We will be using TLC plates by Merck. You can use plates of your choice. There are many available in the market. Cut the plate in 20 by 10 dimensions. Mark at 70 mm with help of pencil for solvent front monitoring. You can write plate ID if you wish to. The next step is clean plate documentation. We do this to ensure there is no contamination on the plate. We will place the plate in visualizer and observe it. Once ensured, you can go ahead for your analysis. Let us start with our analysis. Log in with your credentials. The software is VisionCats 3.0. Once logged in, you have to create a new folder. Name it. After creating a folder, you have to create a method file and fill in all the parameters in method file. Caffeine detection and quantification. Select all the HPTLC modules you will be using in your analysis. We are using Visualizer ATS4 for application, ADC2, you can also interchange the steps. These many modules are available. Click on Finish Step Definition. Fill in all the details like description of your sample and your standard. We are using caffeine of 0.5 mg per ml. Since we are using 20 by 10 plates, there are 15 bands of 8 mm. You can apply first your standard and then your sample. Fill in the volume and the sample type, whether it is sample or standard. Once filled in, click on OK. You can now fill in the parameters, various parameters of visualizer, scanner, ADC2. Choose mobile phase of your suitable mobile phase. All the parameters are filled in and you can execute your method. Once you click on execute method, a new file will open which is known as analysis file. Fill in all the scanner parameters. Now you can see a method file is opened. We had already placed our plate in visualizer. We are capturing image of clean plate. Next step is sample application. Place your plate as shown in the video in ATS4. Place the vials in sample box and then click on continue. So we have given the command through our software. The software calculates application time and is shown on screen. So as to you can plan your tasks. After your application is over, remove the plate and wrap it in aluminium foil. Application step is followed by chromatogram development. Prepare suitable mobile phase. As we are using ADC2, we require 35 ml of mobile phase. Mix it properly. Fill 25 ml in saturation and 10 ml in development. Now place the TLC plate on plate holder and close the lid. Place the saturation pad in chamber. We are good to go. Now you have filled all the details in ADC2 parameters and click on continue. The development is in progress. You can see activation and saturation will be done. It has auto monitoring, solvent auto monitoring. You can see the humidity chamber is filled with magnesium chloride 6H2O solution. The plate is developed, followed by plate drying function. You can see the plate lowered down in the chamber. Now our development is finished. Remove the plate. You can observe it in visualizer. Further, we go for densitometric scanning of the chromatogram. We have captured the image under UV, 254, white light and fluorescence. Place the plate in scanner as shown and secure it with the help of magnets given. Close the door of the scanner. Scan your plate at a wavelength in which you have maximum response. You can observe the peaks by opening an evaluation tab. Let us now do spectrum scanning. Click on spectrum tab. Click on add name. We are adding one more scanner. Selecting all the parameters of spectrum, the range is 200 to 450. Lamp is deuterium and tungsten. Deuterium. And then click on continue. Click on add. Caffeine. Select the peaks for scanning and then continue. Once selected on click on continue, you can observe the spectrum data in spectrum tab. As you can see, all the peaks are overlaying. This gives us double confirmation. We can also observe correlation between the peaks, correlation values on the right hand side. For quantitative evaluation, click on Evaluation tab or plus sign next to SST. Name the substance you are interested in quantifying. Here we are interested in quantifying caffeine in green tea. Select the calibration type as area, as we are evaluating under UV. Fill in the reference and sample concentration. Now click on integration and integrate the peaks. Once integrated, click on substance assignment. Select the peaks as shown in the video, and then you can observe the graph plotted and the results. Once clicked on report, you will get all the details, scanning data, visual data in the report, and it can also be converted in form of PDF. Thank you. This was a quick demonstration on HPTLC analysis.